jokes. His mates will tell you he's a real top bloke. His real name is Barry, but his mates call him Bazza, and his girlfriend's name is Sharon, but you just call her Shazza. Real top Sheila, real top sort. She'll even change your stubby while you're watching sport. But don't victimize him for his way of life. He's sick and tired of hearing people say nobody likes a bogan. Nobody likes a bogan. He drives a VK Commodore with alloy wheels, with a homemade spoiler made of crappy steel, pair of floppy dice and all the other toys, but he's no fear sticker is his pride and joy. Saturday night, the boys hit town, yeah, they're cruising the streets where